Do you have a boring intro for your video? Let's make a cool one using Canva, and that too for free, like this one. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from FabArt Studio. So this is our Canva website. So we will go to create design and click template of type video, because we can export that video in the MP4 format. Now this is the template. You can choose any background color. For now I am choosing a dark blue color. Let's choose it from the palette. So we'll customize it a bit, and I guess yeah, this looks perfect. Now go to the elements on the left panel, and in the search panel above there is a filter. Just click on that filter, and here you can filter out the animated elements. So this way you can add only animated elements. Now for example, I want to add a rocket, so I will search for any particular rocket. I had used it yesterday, so we'll use the same. Here is the one. Okay, so just place it at the center, a little up, because there will be text coming below that. Now click on the plus icon below so that it will create a same slide, and here you can add the second element. So the second element I want to add is a book. So here it is. Now maintain the size of the elements throughout the slides so that it won't, it looks uniform. So yeah, I have placed it almost at the same position it is. Now to place it in the center, you can use this position feature. Now I'll just make sure that both looks uniform, and just checking that it is also in the center. Okay, not in the middle, it is in the center. Now we'll add the third slide in the same way, and here I will be adding something related to nature. So I have this earth element, and place in the same position you have placed the elements on the other slide. Yeah, it's almost at the same position. I will just move it a bit, and now yeah, our 3 slides are ready. Okay, now what we have to do is we will add a text. Basically these words are the one which describes your channel. So for say if it is a learning channel, so I will use these words like inventions, and just I will place it appropriately, and will select a particular font for it. So let's check Lovelo, Glacial Indifference. I will go with Cinzel. I like this font a lot. It looks very professional. So you just have to copy this and paste it so that it is placed at the same position as the other slides. Give some words that describes your channel again. Now the final step is to add animation to all the elements and text elements. We'll choose the element one by one and we'll add a animation to it. Animation, how to add an animation, we have seen in the previous video of this series. So here you have to click on the element and click on animate again, and on the left panel you will see various options, various types of animation that are available. So I will use a rise option. I have chosen rise for both elements. Okay, and similarly for the other pages also use the rise option for all the elements. Animate, rise, knowledge, rise. Okay, similarly for the third slide as well. Yeah, Now the slides are ready, but you can see every template has a particular time frame for which it will play. So intro of almost 5 to 6 seconds should be enough. So as you can see, this intro is quite long, so we have to adjust the time limit of each slide accordingly. So I will be adjusting it to 2. I will make each slide of 2 seconds, so that the entire intro will be of 6 seconds, and I guess that should be enough. Yeah, like this. Yeah, now the entire design is ready. You can see the design is of 6 seconds. Now we will add a audio to this video, and on the left panel you can see audio option. You have to navigate over there, and here you can see various audios. Some are for free and some are for pro account. So we'll choose any free one, and for the paid ones, it's almost 275 per audio. That is not worth right now, so we'll go with a free one. And once it is done, just download the video in mp4 format, and yeah, it is ready to use as an intro for your YouTube video. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. We will be bringing you more such tips and tricks and also other art forms. Stay tuned. Thank you.